Day and day, I lose her for humans, you know. Now, big one thing. I pray if you gonna move to a different planet or something.
But
Big one thing, I lose her for Earth straight.
welcome back to another episode, another brand new episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando, yours truly, you know it, go already. And today I will be doing a review, a breakdown, and a reaction all in one. And today's review, reaction, and breakdown will be on a song called Somebody Great by Alkaline off of his New Level Unlocked album back in 2016. And today's song will be Somebody Great, as I've stated. This song, somebody requested it for me to review. They want to hear my take on it. So we're going to just jump right into it and hear what Alkaline has to say. Let's get it. But
Day and day, I lose her for humans, you know.
true.
Now, big one thing. I pray if you gonna move to a different planet or something.
First things first. You ever had a time in your life when you feel like you just can't go on, or you just feel like people are just continuously failing you? This is how Alkaline is feeling in this song. It's like, day and day I lose half of Earth. Feel like I move to a different planet. Clearly, man is saying he doesn't want to be on Earth anymore. He wants to transcend to a different planet, a different atmosphere, out of all of this atmosphere. Because there's too much drama. And we've seen it in 2024. A lot of violence, a lot of crime, people killing each other. Brothers are killing brothers. Sisters are killing sisters. It's there, bro. We can't expect anything more than hate, bad mind, envy. It's all there, bro. And that's what Alkaline is saying. Let's go.
Big one thing, I lose her for Earth straight. You know where people are the most like
No, true. Hey, bro. Hold up, bro. Who's the name of this girl in the song that's singing those vocals, bro? Those vocals are heaven sent, bro. Who's singing those vocals? Y'all let me know in the comment section, bro. Who's the girl who's singing that vocal in this song, bro? Because the way she's harmonizing and singing those vocals, as I've stated in plenty of breakdowns, my thing is for vocals, bro. I love vocalists. They're like heaven sent, bro. And when you have a person who is very vocalistic, you just can't take nothing else from them, bro. You just can't take it from them. And this lady that's singing this vocal in Somebody Great, bro. Oh my God, bro. I'm saying it's like she's from heaven sent, bro. Like God brought her down to just do this feature with Alkaline, bro. God just brought her down to do this feature with Alkaline. Are you kidding me, bro? They don't let me know like they used to do. And we don't really talk like we used to do. They don't love me now like they used to do. She's saying they don't love me now like they used to do. And we don't really talk like we used to do. You ever had that person in your life that you used to talk to, you used to have fun with? It's like you don't talk to them no more. You're east and they're west. You're north and they're south. It's like you're far apart. You just don't connect anymore. And that's just it, bro. We've seen it time and time again in this life. We're friends with someone today, tomorrow we're not. Yes. I'm not lying. True that. Wow.
Jump out of bed in a whole different place. Price you have to pay to be somebody.
Pause, bro. Jump out of bed in a whole different place. Price you have to pay to be somebody great. Oh my God, tell me you haven't felt like that before, bro. Jump out of bed in a whole different place. Price you have to pay for be somebody great. It says, there's a saying, you gotta try to be great, but you can't just be great overnight. You gotta work hard to be great, but you can't be great overnight. Success doesn't happen overnight. So he's saying, jump out of bed in a whole different place. Price you have to pay for be somebody great, bro. Man's is saying, he gotta put the muscle to the tussle, bro. He gotta fight. He gotta work hard to be somebody great. It takes you to leave your own country to go somewhere else to be somebody great. It takes you to live out of your suitcase to be somebody great. Sometimes the one clothes you have on your body, bro, you got to just live with that and work harder and harder and harder each day just to be somebody great. If you want something out of life, bro, you can't look on the outside. You can't watch what you see every day going around in the world, in the media. You got to look within, bro. And that's how you're going to be somebody great.
Everybody wants something, complaints from complaints. Price you for pay for me somebody great. I'm a big house I had and live out a suitcase.
Bumbo clot, y'all said to me, man. What the... Yo, what y'all said to me, bro? Bro, let me tell you this, bro. This is memory lane, bro. This is memory lane when this album had just dropped, bro. Every song connected in so many ways. Every song. It's like Mike Tyson hitting you with punches after punches. This is how the songs are connecting. Bam, bam, bam. Bro. Somebody Great by Alkaline. It's one for the books also, bro. Oh my God. Don't bring tears to my eyes, bro. Somebody Great. It's just another song in the catalog, bro, that keeps you rounded and connected. It's another one. It's just another one, bro. And it is a classic. It is a classic, bro. Let me put all this shit back over again, bro. And listen, I'm gonna cool off on some of the talking, even though y'all know the song already, but y'all just want my perspective on it. But I'm gonna just easy a little bit on the talking and just listen to the song, bro. Don't let me cry, bro. Don't let me fucking cry, bro.
No, big man thing.
Big man thing, but lose off Earth straight.
Move to a different planet, so.
Them no love like them used to.
Big man thing, lose off Earth straight.
Whoa.
They know like people like them used to.
Bro, don't let me cry. Jump out of bed in a whole different place. Price you have to pay for be somebody great. I'm a big house I had to live out a suitcase. Price you have to pay for be somebody. I feel laugh up with yo. I can't hold it, bro. I can't hold it.
Somebody great. Everybody wants something, complaints from complaints. Price you for pay for me somebody great. I'm a big house I had and live out a suitcase. Price you for pay for me somebody great. I feel laugh up with some people when me narrate. Price you for pay for me somebody great. They don't let me know what they used to do. And we don't.
Bro, this is when the new level had unlocked, bro. This is different levels of music. You know how hard it sings songs just singing? This man is spitting the gems. He's literally talking in the booth. Not just singing, but talking in the booth. And the words are so sensational. The words are so sensational. And bit by bit, bro, it's connecting like a dot, like a puzzle, bro. Price you have to pay for be somebody great. I'm a big house I had to live out a suitcase. The whole concept, bro. It's all there. Price you have to pay for be somebody great. If you want to be somebody great, you got to do what you have to do. You got to make sacrifices. Yeah. Bro. Bumbuckler, dog. Bumbuckler. Just chat to Shabba. Him say him love how me a deal with the place. Just chat to Shabba in the dog. Him say him love how me a deal with the place. Holy smoke. Shabba ranks, brother. Just chat to Shabba ranks and him say him love how me a deal with the place, brother. Them wouldn't have time for eat, brother, if me never there. Them would not eat if we never in the field, if we never there in the ring or take on the fight and master the plan, brother.
Now you're the 7 year date. You said 1 year till you turn this one about this straight.
No.
If you never made a sound, don't hear 1 week.
I keep telling people this, bro. And I keep telling my loved ones this, bro. You gotta keep going on, keep pushing on, keep fighting. Keep anything you want in life, keep moving on to it, brother. Whatever you hear people saying out there and they're eyesing and they're criticizing and everything, it doesn't matter. Block out your inner thoughts from all of that, and all your dreams will come true. All your greatness would showcase, bro. All your greatness would showcase as long as you block your mind from the outer world and stay locked in, bro. Stay locked in. And that's how you're going to be somebody great. You see, when you're locked in, everything you do, whatever you put your mind to, whatever your focus is on, they say, whatever your passion is on, that is what you will see yourself achieving in your future. So lock your passion into something that you really want, and that's how you really find it that you're locked in and your dreams are taking its time to come through. It's not an overnight success or whatever, but as long as you're locked in to your dreams and your goals, that's it, bro. And that's how you're going to be able to become somebody great. And this song, Somebody Great, bro, by Alkaline, brother, classic. One for the books. Years, 10, 25 years now. You're going to go back to it. Your kids are going to want to hear songs like this. As long as you put them on to songs like this, they're going to always want to hear songs like this, because they're speaking to the inner body, the inner spirit. Not the outer spirit, but the inner spirit, bro. Go again. Of course, and I like, it's evident. If me never bust, them still would not cuss. Some artists would not follow me up. That the man I say, bro. Some artists really would have them space just because Alkaline there now. If a man a fight, every man a fight for a position in a game. But if he never did bust, none of them still wouldn't have them space. Them wouldn't even have time for eat. Them wouldn't have a bleach from panta for. Them wouldn't have a bleach from panta for dog plate. That's what Alkaline is saying, bro. Bro, back in the days, artists usually love go to party, bro, to promote their shit. Nowadays, everything changed because of the era. We understand that the era changes with time. But back in the days, artists used to do all of that shit. This is the guy who break the barrier. This is the man who break the chain, bro. Break that cycle, that curse that used to be on the dancehall industry scene, bro. You have to stretch out your palm. You have to big man for play your music. They have to have big people. The man telling you, bro, ring on no mama, gravity now make you fall. Ring on no mama, gravity now make you fall, bro. Yeah. Hey, true. Every man want to be the man. And y'all still debating about this kingship. What is a king to a god? What is a king to a lord? Bro, you can't be debating about this kingship. Alkaline doesn't want it none at all, bro. That man only wants to be somebody great. And being somebody great, it takes a lot of effort, but still, once you believe in yourself and whatever you're putting out there, whatever you're delivering to your fans or delivering to the ears of people, as long as it's good music, it remains classic. It would always remain classic. And still to this day, Somebody Great is a classic, bro. Yo, Mr. Eagles, I get... Oh, shit, bro. Oh, shit. Mr. 28 I get shorter. Mr. Eagles I get smaller. Everybody I beg friend I look straight from each. Oh, shit, bro. Everybody I beg friend I look straight from each other. Man, I tell you, dog. Mr. 28 I get smaller. Mr. He's speaking about y'all out there, bro. Man, 28 I get smaller. Them Eagles I get smaller. Everybody I beg friend I look straight from each. Alkaline, futuristic. It is playing out in this present time, bro. And this song is from the past. Years ago, years and years ago. And it's evident in today's time. Everybody a big friend I look straight from each other. Mr. 28 I get smaller. Mr. Everybody Eagles I get smaller.
Never see smoke without fire. Everybody a big friend I look straight from each other. Can't tell us for some other.
Yo, I tell you, bro. You see life. If you want something out of life, brother, sacrifices are for make. The sacrifices them are for make, bro. Some days you're gonna miss your family, your daughter, your son, your mother, your woman, brother. You're gonna miss people, brother. But you have to stay up on the grind and focus, dog. Sacrifices are for make whatever you want in a life. You have to make the sacrifices, them, bro. You have to make them, brother. You have to make them. What do you want to do? You want to stay home and look into your loved one's face knowing that you can't provide and you can't do shit for them? That makes no sense, bro. It's not worth it. You got to go out there. Don't watch what you're missing or who you're missing. But remember that at the end of the road, bro, you're going to be victorious. And you're going to smile at it, bro, because it's your hard work had paid off. Them back-to-back flight. Every week I get them now, can't tell that. I just say it to you, bro. Them back-to-back flight every week I get them now, I can't tell me last me see my yard, bro. Man, I live out of a suitcase. I remember once in my life that had happened to me, bro. Living out of a friggin' suitcase, bro. It's so weird. You come to America, brother, and sometimes before you get a quick start, a push start in the life of being successful or getting success, bro, you have to start from somewhere, bro. You have to have all one suitcase to live out of for all weeks, brother, because you have to work hard and I work hard for the honest bread. And you not spend it on no bag of foolishness. You want to save it, you want to build something. You're creating a legacy, a foundation for you and your family and your loved ones. So it's like that, living out of a suitcase. And to this day we see play out for Alkaline. Success reach him foot. It wasn't an overnight thing, but him do what him have to do and him make it in a life, bro. I remember this brother in the dark up a half a tree in a brother, right up a half a tree up a clock this so I stay through I keep in a dark. And I'm there in a day. What am I there in a day? Skating park, brother, right this up. In a terminal, the skating area this up. And me as an Alkaline a perform, I never know who this brother, bro. This tall brother I'm glimpsing on the stage, bro. I see dog, you know. You couldn't believe it. You wouldn't believe it. Success takes time. Not overnight. Keep going, keep pushing, bro. That's how you're gonna be somebody great. Yo. Analyze. They don't love me no like they used to do. The song just give you a soothing vibes, bro. You just mellow and a clutch and a mids and you say, they don't love me no like they used to do. And we don't really talk like we used to do. They don't love me no like they used to do. It's like, yeah, big and a pleading in yourself and you say, yo, John, over them not love you like them used to, bro. People where you think love you, dog, them not love you again, Once them to say you start grow, it's like you're not for grow past them, or you're not for grow none at all. So it's like when you start grow, people start meds and them say, yo, watch him, I go like him reach someone now, I go on him and go like him reach someone. Them cut them eye parts, them not like you again, them not rate you again. People with it rate and rate you again, bro. You people have two-face. A lot of us has two-face. But you have to find out who are the true and who are the real one then. Yeah. That part you bad that. Jump out your bed in a one different time. Jump out. Jump out in a, yo bro. Jump out in a place now, one different time. Left Jamaica after 12, reaching Europe after 9, bro. Man, I tell you, flights, time zone, different. Time zone is totally different, bro. Yo, bumbo clock, dog. Pull up that shit, dog. That part I give it, that part I get you. Emotion, it's like cool bomb, bro. It's like cool bump. That part you just, if you can relate, definitely you gonna get cool bump in that part, brother. Jump out in a place in a whole different time. Left Jamaica after 12, like now you after 9. Alkaline has that song, bro. He has this song that says, "To my country, me a foreigner." So it's like you left Jamaica, and it's like when you touch back a ground, it's like to your own country, you're a foreigner. People look on you different. That's when the highly respected people just start coming and start give you all the praises. It's like they're seeing a God in front of them, bro. It's like you're a God to them. So people start rating back. And them never did rate you, but them start rating. Them smiling in your face now, but them not rate you, bro. Wow.
Jump out and get in now one different time. Left Jamaica after 9, Europe after 9.
The time of bad mind, the time of hypocrisy.
Sing your purpose, speak your mind.
You get the purpose, speak your mind, bro. The time of hypocrite, you get the time, speak your mind. You get the privilege and the purpose, speak your mind. Man, I tell you, dog, the time of bad mind. Why people so bad mind? Especially some of we Jamaicans. Why we so bad mind? And it's like a natural thing for us to bad mind people. In these days too. It's like natural for bad mind a next man for nothing at all, dog. Shit. True, when loyalty is just for your time, and mankind bad on life, all of them time I still feel like I'm on a time.
When mankind bad on life, all of them know that some still feel like I'm on a time.
No.
I start seeing out of myself now. I stop taking care of it now.
Sometimes I them thing that happen to we, bro. Them thing that happen to we in life, and we stop take care of ourselves and we start think about who we are gonna take care of next. Alkaline, I say it, bro. Man come like a Shakespeare to music, brother. The man go in the future and come back and predict what gonna take place. The time of bad mind, bro. I stop take care of myself. Me I wonder who me I gonna take care of next. That the man I met, but you have them time in your life, dog. Yo, sometimes you're not even care about your own health. You try to gain and try to achieve all you can so you can take care of who you can take, whether family or friends. It's like you have no time for yourself into taking care of you. You're thinking about others, what you can do for them, but who's gonna do for you? That's how it is, bro. You gotta do it for yourself.
Who else for God now? Who never get strength to over mind more than the strength now?
Humble clot, dog. Pause. Gotta shake my head, bro. This song, brother, this song, yo, y'all out there looking for hybrid music. It's not all about hybrid music. It's all about music to feed your mind, feed your thoughts. Food for thoughts, bro. And this is what you call food for thoughts, bro. I sound like somebody great, brother. It just a play with your mental and I feed it and I feed it. This song shows you and tells you how to weed out the snake out of the grass. How to be careful of people out there, bro, at the same time. Who else me gonna help now? Who else I gonna remind me why I'm not getting strength now? Honestly, You know, to trust people so much. Honestly.
Them get comfortable and feel them know.
Bumbuckler, I think a joke. Them get comfortable when them feel them know you too much. Be careful of who you trust out there. Are people who see you kill people now, no? Look on Naya, look on both said we're dead. Honestly, me not too trust people so much. Honestly, them get too comfortable when them feel them know you too much. You can't trust in them time, bro. It's so cruel. The world we live in now. The world is not bad, but it's the people that live in it are bad. And the people are cruel that live in the world. And you gotta be careful. You might be careful and they're not. It's just this, like the saying. You gotta be driving for you and others on the road. But at the same time, others are not driving for you. Endangering your life. So that is it. You gotta be careful of people. Don't always be trustworthy of people or trusting of people, bro. Brother, people dangerous. And Alkaline being a spit and a tell with. The brother, yeah, him old but him young. What I would say now? Him young but him not old. Or him old but him not young. Shit. The man age, he's around 31, but his mental state, his mind is before his time, bro. He's before his time. You know, like you would have a Jordan or a LeBron James. It's the same thing. Alkaline is before his time. He's like running the era of those guys, or would say he's running in the era with the Vibes Cartel and the Movado and all those greats. So he is before his time. So when he sings music, you underestimate him thinking that, oh, he's too young. Where does he know these stuff from? Where does he knows to sing stuff like this? But no, bro. It takes a village to grow someone. And when a village is positive and a village is worthy of growing someone, this is what they turn out to be. Great. Somebody great, bro. That is it. And it's too much. That was too much. Come with a cup. Exactly. They thought it would take just 2 years. They thought he would just run for 2 years and that's it. That's not it, bro. Only give him a cup, a spoon full, and the man come out to that cup full. A spoonful, and he come out to that cup full. Y'all underestimated this man, bro. All y'all Vendetta fans out there represent, brother. I know on the love on the artist, and I know on the artist means so much to him because these gems and these words that he spits in these music, y'all hold it dear to your heart and like key to a lock. Y'all are real to this man and I respect that, bro. Alkaline, brother, big up, dog. You're young, but you're not young. You're young, but you're not young. If you get what I'm saying. Man's mental is a cut above the rest, dog. No, not like we used to do. They don't let me know like they used to do, like they used to do, like they used to do. Jano. I've had those days where I feel like, yo, you ever feel like sometimes you isolate yourself from people because you know what you're capable of on the inside and you know what people outside are capable of. So you try to stay away from danger and try to keep yourself on the right path. And sometimes I feel that sometimes. Sometimes I go through that meditation where I just isolate myself from people and just stay in my own zone, in my own lane. It's better to always be in your own zone, own lane. I can tell Alkaline is that type of person. You don't see him that much outside in the public. So I could predict he's probably a loner. He's probably a man who's always in his own zone. And that is key to a person, bro. Your sanity is number one to you. Don't lose it for nobody else or to anyone else. Do not lose your sanity to people, bro. And I feel like Alkaline is that type of person. He's very introverted. And I'm slightly the same. bro. They don't let me know that they used to do. Y'all brought me back to memory lane, and I respect that so much. I respect that. It's always good to go back to memory lane and reflect on things that, it's like nostalgic, bro. It brings you back to that time in your life when you were going through something or you had some situation or whatever. And I respect that. And for the viewer, the person that asked me to review this or break down or whatever, thanks. And I hope y'all appreciate it. And I hope y'all stay tuned for other updates. I'm trying to go hard on this thing, I'm trying to do this content thing more often because I realize that we're in an era that content creating is number one. And a lot of people are creating contents these days, even if it's not good or not perfect as one would want it to be, but people are still trying, like myself. So I respect this, and I'm trying to do this more often for you guys. And I see that y'all are tuned in, and y'all are loving the contents, and I respect that. So all I'm asking y'all to do is just stay tuned, hit that like button and that subscription button, and always keep that notification bell on. And yeah, keep the algorithm putting me up in the feeds, and so I could be out there more so that others could see and others could tune in also. Respect. Peace.